there guys! So today I wanted to show you a nice party recipe. This is something I did right before Christmas, but I just didn't get around to upload this video, I'm sorry. You want to start out with your flour in the bowl and you want to add some grated cheese to that. And then you want to go ahead and mix that together. Next up you want to cut down your butter and just add that to the mixture. And then you just want to go ahead and kind of clump that together a little bit. So just mush it with your hands, basically start kneading it. And then when this is kind of combined, you want to add your egg yolk. And then you want to knead it to a normal dough. So this will take a minute or two, but you know, it's worth it. It's just a quick video and a quick recipe, and it's just really delicious. So when you're done with that, you're ready to let that sit in the fridge for an hour. Then you want to go ahead and roll it out. And this is my boyfriend doing it because I don't have such nice muscles on my arm. Then you want to cut them out as well. We decided to do these in round shapes. And then you want to bake them for 10 minutes with 180 degrees. And after that you can do whatever you want. We put some cream cheese on top and then some cheese or fish or whatever you want, and this is just a great party snack, very delicious, and yeah, I just really enjoyed it. Hope you try it. Goodbye.